This system is not fixed, it only looks that way. Transport draws more energy, buildings carry more load, bodies work harder, not over centuries but within hours. First changes are subtle, later ones are not. The world still functions differently. Earth's gravity just increased by 2%. Everything is now slightly heavier. The change is sudden and global. It is a switch flipped in an instant. A person at 150 pounds now weighs 153. Like a winter coat you can never take off. From a grain of sand to a mountain, everything feels extra pull. The air is denser, pressing down a little more. No noise, no shaking, just a new normal. Your muscles hold you up with more effort. Your heart pushes harder to feed your brain. Performance dips. Scales disagree. Reports scatter. Satellites drift lower. Lab gravimeters agree. Gravity is stronger. The cause is unknown. The effect is undeniable. Every step, every lift, every heartbeat pays a small, constant tax. The world built for 1G now lives at 1.02G. Bodies, machines, and structures begin to show strain. Muscles work 2% harder at rest. Hearts push more to keep you clear-headed. Blood pressure ticks up. Heavier inner ear fluid nudges balance and reaction time. Older adults and cardiac patients hit thresholds sooner. Falls bite harder. Over weeks, muscles strengthen, bones densify. Adaptation costs time and energy. Vehicles burn more fuel to move the same mass. Trips feel the same, budgets do not. Aircraft face tighter margins. Longer runways, more thrust, less payload, higher fares. Suspensions sag sooner. Tires and brakes wear faster. Maintenance cycles shrink. Heavier ships, higher burn, slower schedules. Supply chains miss beats. Microscopic cracks grow faster under the added dead load of a heavier world. Systems still run, people still move. The margin is thinner. Every beam, column, and foundation carries a permanent 2% surcharge. Small shifts appear. Cracks spread. Frames bind as structures settle differently. Long spans recalibrate. Their own weight dominates. Safety margins erode. Older elements with hidden flaws yield first, quietly and suddenly. Water moves with more force, undercutting banks, piers, and levees faster. Sea level pressure inches higher. Denser air holds more moisture. When it rains, it pours harder. Storms carry more water. Floods spread wider. More drag alters flight paths, sports, and turbine aerodynamics and fatigue. Stronger Earth hold slightly compresses tidal range, shifting coastal ecologies. Habitats tuned to daily flows struggle to keep pace with a new rhythm. Transport and pumping costs climb, pushing oil and electricity upward. Costs propagate into food, goods and services. Receipts swell. Models add new failure modes. Structural claims, transport incidents, flood risk. Heavier shipping shrinks global throughput. Localization gains ground. Employment shifts toward efficient modes. Rail, regional fabrication, repair. Architecture favors shorter profiles and lighter composites over mass. Fatigue and caution permeate daily life. Endurance is valued. Those with means reinforce and privatize mobility. Others bear heavier risk. The systems bend, not break. The pace is slower but steady. Immediate hazards got triaged. Dangerous structures were reinforced or removed. Networks reorganized toward efficient rail and deliberate shipping. A new cohort grows denser bones and stronger attachments, trending stockier. Clinical norms shift for blood pressure and exertion across lifetimes. Life expectancy dips slightly from cumulative cardiovascular load. Engineering chases strength to weight, shaving mass from every design. Motors prioritize low-end torque for heavier starts and climbs. Supply chains shorten. Communities trade distance for resilience. Lighter days become a story, not a memory for the young. Resilience grows routine, along with a background hum of worry. Life continues. Tasks persist. Everything remains a little harder. Denser air saps sound faster. Long-distance calls in nature reshape. Whales and birds adapt their communication ranges over time. Heavier crust tweaks plate stresses. Scientists debate quakes and magma pressure. Subtle changes in core flow are plausible but slow and uncertain. Earth-Moon dynamics pick up minute perturbations across centuries. The year's length may shift by fractions of a second. Astronomical, not daily, significance. No mechanism confirmed. The adjustment is real regardless. We built on constants. The universe reserves the right to revise. The world is stable again, but at a higher daily price. What scenario should we explore next? Share your ideas below. You've been watching IfVerse, where imagination meets possibility. See you in our next reality.